well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new watching this video, you guys know what to do by now. Please hit that subscribe button as we are on our way to 10,000 subscribers, and there is going to be a giveaway at 10k. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. In today's video, we are doing another segment of my series where I get somebody else to do my Lush haul for me, and I've done quite a few of these before. I've done one where my boyfriend does it for me, Jacqueline Forbes did it for me, I've had a few YouTubers do it for me, and you guys do it for me, and now I've got my mum to do it for me. So this is the bag of goodies that my mum picked up for me, and I said about £20, however it does feel quite heavy. I feel like she may have gone a little bit over the budget, not gonna lie, but nevertheless I am very, very excited to dive in. We've had this bag in my room for about a week now, so I'm gonna dive right in, put my hands in there, pull some stuff out. Let's see what she picked. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. Okay, so I'm not gonna look in the bag, and I am just gonna pick stuff out at random. So this is the first one. Feels like a bottle. Very exciting. Okay, so the first item we have... I'm so excited. Okay, so this is the Sticky Dates Shower Gel. Now, I have not bought this yet. I smelt it and I was trying to restrain myself because, as you guys know, I have a lot of Lush stuff to the point where it's becoming a problem. Okay, so I thought, you know what, I'm not going to pick this up, but I'm so thankful she picked this up for me because this is incredible. Ingredients wise, it has got vanilla pod infusion, for some reason I forgot how to read then, date syrup, we've also got sunflower lithium, I don't even know what that means, fresh orange juice, sandalwood oil, but the smell, unreal. Let me just smell it again. Okay, toffee syrup. It's similar to Yognog. If you like Yognog, you will love this. It's got that foodie sort of smell. Like Yognog is very caramel, very kind of biscuit foodie. This is pure toffee syrup. This smells amazing. Ryan would love this. I'm gonna have to hide this from him because he will be obsessed with this. Maybe I should get him some. That's a good idea. I might have to get him some. Ryan, if you're watching this, I might have to buy you some of this because it smells insane. So yeah. Sticky Dates, amazing. So glad to have that because I can't even describe to you the smell. Insane. Okay, next up we have this one. Okay, let's see what it is. I say this every time, but it is actually quite terrifying putting your hand in the bag, not knowing what's in there. Even though I know it's going to be some sort of bath product, I feel like, I don't know. Ooh, okay, pumice power. Oh my god. So I actually used to be obsessed with this. I used to use it all the time, but I haven't actually bought one of these since I left Lush, I don't think. Oh, it smells insane. I need to get the ingredients up for you guys because obviously it doesn't have it on the packet, so give me 1 second. So ingredients wise in this one, we have pumice powder, water, rapeseed oil, coconut oil, organic sweet orange oil. It's very orangey, but it's so lovely. And these are really, really great. So essentially what this is for is you wet it in the shower and you actually use it on your feet to make your feet really soft and really smooth. Really good product, honestly. If you suffer with dry feet or anything like that, this is brilliant, so I highly recommend it. And I'm actually really glad to have one of those. I would never have expected her to pick that up for me, so good job, Mum. Love it. So now moving on to another item, we have something in a pot. How exciting. Okay, let's see what it is. Ooh, okay, we have volcano foot mask. Now, I have actually tried this before. I know that Mum kind of went in there trying to pick things I'd never had before. I have had this before. I got this in a Fresh and Flowers box months ago, and I actually really liked it. The only thing with this I find is that you put it on and you kind of have to just like sit, but I sort of put it on my feet and then put my feet over the bath, and that is kind of how I use it. But it is really lovely. It's got such a beautiful cooling effect, and I know my mum would really like this, so maybe she bought this to share because I know that she would really enjoy it. But ingredients wise, this one has kaolin, pumice powder, lime flower, decoction, I can't read because the sticker's over it, bentoin gel, tomato, lemon oil. The smell of this is not my fave, like I'm not gonna lie to you, it doesn't smell great. It's not a really fresh fruity smell or a sweet smell like the kind of smells that I really enjoy, but it is a very, oh no, I don't like that smell. It smells like food, but it is kind of nostalgic in a way. Like, it just reminds me of working at Lush. in a weird way, even though I really don't like the smell, but it smells very earthy, very sort of fresh and very natural smelling, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm really excited to have this. Again, I really liked it when I had it the first time, so I'm definitely excited to give this a go and make my feet nice and soft for the summer. I think that was a vibe. I love the combo, so good job, Mum. So we have 2 items left. The next one is this one. I hope this isn't a fresh face mask because it has not been put in the fridge, so if it's mouldy, I do apologise. Let's see what we have. Ooh, okay, repeat foot balm. She's definitely going with a theme here. I love that. I actually haven't tried this. I did get a sample, actually. No, I'm lying. I did get a sample and I did really enjoy it. I think, did I buy this for her? Did I buy this for her? I think I bought her this. I can't quite remember now. Oh, wow. That smells insane. That smells so good. It's so oily and thick. It's really lovely. This smells really good. It has a very fresh ice lolly kind of smell, kind of like an orange Calippo almost, but really fresh and summery, and I love the smell. And ingredients wise, we have got jojoba oil, castor oil, candelia wax, orange peel wax, sunflower wax, blood orange oil. It has a very, as you can tell, like orangey smell. It is a pure orange smell, but she's definitely gone for a theme here with the foot mask, the scrub and the lotion. I'm very excited to have beautiful feet for the summer, so I love that. And I've actually never had a full size pot of that before, so really excited. And last but definitely not least, we are diving in, and this is the last item. I never want these videos to end because I love opening things that I didn't buy. It's just so much more exciting. We have got another bottle. So the last item is, drum roll please. Okay, yep, she has definitely gone for a theme here. This is the Tea for Toes foot powder. I rarely take care of my feet in a way that I don't really like. I'd never buy products for myself for this kind of thing. I don't know why, but this is really good. I have used this before years ago, so a very long time ago, and essentially it smells like lime fruit pastels from what I can remember. And ingredients wise, it has got tea tree oil, lime oil, powdered broom tops, powdered walnut leaf, powdered horse tail herb, whatever that is, because that does not sound nice whatsoever. But let's give it a smell because I think I'm right in saying it smells like lime. Yes, it smells like lime. So it smells like the Nightwing shower jelly from Halloween, which is just like a lime fruit pastel kind of smell. It's just very sweet and very limey, if that makes sense. Obviously it's limey, that's really stupid, but you know what I mean. It smells like limes, but it smells really good, and I'm really excited to actually try all of these products in conjunction with each other. I can't talk. In conjunction with each other, and kind of have the best feet ever. So I'm very excited. So I love that. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy. How did my mum do? Let me know down below in the comments. I think she did really well. I know that she went in there wanting to buy stuff that I don't really buy for myself and that I don't or may not have used, if that makes sense. So I think she's actually smashed it because I don't have any of these products in my collection at the moment. So that was really good going. Considering the amount of stuff that I have in my room at the moment. She did really well, so I'm so thankful. So Mum, if you're watching, which I'm sure you are, you smashed it. Thank you so much. I love everything and I'm so excited for this. Yum. Just so excited. So yeah, I'm so thankful. Let me know down below how you thought my mum did, and also let me know down below if there's anybody else in my life that you would like to do my Lush haul, like my dad or anybody else. Let me know down below because I will definitely get them to do it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and if you aren't subscribed, like I said at the beginning, please make sure you do, because I do have a current giveaway going on right now which will be announced when I'm at 10k, and I am contemplating doing another giveaway as well, so let me know if you'd be interested in that. But yes, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.